If your home is equipped with an HRV, ERV, home house ventilator, or also known as an air-to-air exchanger, you will need to do maintenance on this every year. The one thing, and most important, is the pre-filters. Those need to be changed or cleaned every 3 months. The core inside, which we'll get to when we open this, that needs to be cleaned every 12 months. First thing, remove power from the appliance. It should have a cord plugged into a nearby outlet. Next, we unsnap the clips on the side and gently let the door slide down. If you forget, it's also lined out here, the maintenance, right on the core inside the unit. These are the pre-filters that we can slide out, and we vacuum these every 3 months. You should check these every 3 months. Once these are pulled out, once a year, we slide the entire heat recovery core or energy recovery core out, and we vacuum all 4 sides of the core. While we have that out, it's always a good idea to take a damp cloth and wipe out the interior of the HRV ERV unit. Once complete, we can slide this back in on its tracks until it's all the way seated in. Put the clean filters back in. Slide the door back up. Do not forget to plug the power back in. Also, what we need to do now is go outside and check the exterior terminations to make sure there's no bird nest, bee hives blocking those. So we'll go outside and take a look at those. This is the HRV termination at your house, and what we want to be looking for is it may not look like it's blocked or obstructed, but on the bottom is the intake. So we want to look up there and make sure there's no beehives or any other kind of debris that is blocking this unit from ventilating effectively.